In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin a message on Zangi. To pin a message in Zangi is super easy. Launch open the Zangi application on your mobile device and sign into your account. From your Chats tab, view the conversation you'd like to pin. After you open up a conversation, tap and hold the chat you want to pin, and this will open up a pop-up menu. Click on the pin button from the pop-up and then select whether you'd like to pin the message for both the parties, that is you and the person you are chatting with. If you want to pin the message for yourself only, you can select Pin for Me button. After you choose one of these options, you will then be able to pin the message at the top. Now your chat has pinned at the top of your chat list, which will make it easier to access important conversations quickly. That is how you pin a message from one of your conversations in Zangi. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.